Good day, FT here. Today we're going to be building beautiful apps for all platform, and we're going to be using the Intel XDK. Actually, it's very beautiful. You can design HTML, you name it, with it. Okay, well, let's get started. I'm going to drop the link at the description below. You go to this URL, software.intel.com/English USA Intel XDK. I'm going to drop the link below this video. Make sure you check it out, and once you reach here, preferably you join or log in if you already have an account with Intel, and you go straight to download the app right here. And if you're a Mac user, like I used to be, just go to the URL here and you see download for Mac right here. So on Windows, let's click download for Windows. And yay, as you can see, our download has started. I'm going to pause this video and come back when we're done downloading. Thank you. Okay, we're back. We're done downloading, and anywhere you save the file, you'll find it here. It looks like this, and installing is pretty easy. You just click and click next. Any of you who doesn't know how to install a program, you must come from maybe 1985 or so, then you shouldn't be watching this tutorial on building mobile phone apps. You should be exploring other things, And also, Intel XDK is the best. It's better than Android Studio, Xcode. You can develop app for multiple devices, even Tizen. I haven't heard of that before. And you can put them directly on your Play Store, your Apple Store, make money from your apps. This is the first series of many tutorials I'll be releasing today. Okay, sorry, I had a very important call I have to pick, helping someone out actually, but okay, this is it. Our installer is on. You just click next, and you'll be done installing. I already have it installed on my system, so I won't install it. I'll be going straight and showing you how the Intel XDK looks. Then next tutorial, we'll be developing a series of them apps. I will even take options from you guys on YouTube to develop any kind of app you want me to develop. We'll develop it right here. So preferably you subscribe to this channel so that anytime I upload an app, you get it first hand. Anyway, let's get started. Finish. So once you're done installing, you have it installed on your desktop wherever you want. So I'll go right ahead and open the Intel XDK. Thinking of it, sometimes you have to sign in before it actually opens. I'm already signed in because I've been developing apps with it for quite a while now. As you can see, Intel XDK, so sweet, so beautiful. I also have the Android Studio, but I don't use it anymore. So click on start a new project. Actually, this is the main platform. You can start a standard HTML5 project which you can develop. You can see almost all operating system, even Tizen. I don't know who uses this anymore. Then also you can develop Cordova application. You can work with the hardware of the phone using this Cordova project, like cameras, you name it. We can make use of it using Cordova. But if you want to build a simple HTML, CSS, nicely designed app, you can just make use of this and build our project. For now, I'm going to show you templates. You click on templates, you get the standard, and you have the Cordova. Are you going to be using App Designer? App Designer is what you see is what you get designer for the Intel XDK platform, and you can see all the devices it supports, and it's lightweight. For now, let's just start with the standard. Okay, we click on this and we click continue. You start in a blank app, you name your app, you select where you want to save it. I prefer mine to be on the desktop. You name your project, sample, click create. Okay, we're back. As you can see, congratulations. Whatever, no thanks. Okay, right now you need to select your framework which you love using. You can see that we have plenty here. The framework actually is the look, the way your mobile phone application will look. As you can see, we have app framework. Most of you are familiar with app framework. You know, this is how your app is going to look, with this kind of padding, styling, placeholder text, what have you. We have ratchet. This is the way ratchet looks. Also, you can scroll down, look at how you could get these buttons, whatever. Ionic, which used to be my favorite. Ionic just came out not quite long ago. And we have framework 7, which is a mobile app style. You can see the design here. We have all the text formats, the button style, the link style. We have Twitter Bootstrap also. You can see the design of Twitter Bootstrap here, collapsible group, heading style. We have jQuery also, the normal old style of designing an app to me though. Then we have top coat, a dark style. I think this should be Tisan style of designing, header, what have you. I prefer using the app framework because once we use the app framework, we can add all other design to it, including Bootstrap, Ionic. You know, we can just work with all of them, all using this app framework. As you can see, it's specially designed for mobile app. It supports all the OS, Microsoft, Windows 8, you name it. Now we just go and click select right here, select, and here you go. Wow, most of you might be looking at, whoa, this is complicated. Oh, so complicated. Look at buttons here, everything, tabs, whatever. Here's our project title. You know, it's very simple once we get started. And you can see, you can switch between design view and code view. Most of you that are very good in designing HTML and CSS and JavaScript, you can just come in here and start coding everything from scratch. You code, it already added everything you need. You code over JS, you name it. You just start coding in the body section, and anytime you go to design, it loads up and you see your design right here. But most of us which are lazy, we like to add those design ourselves. You can start adding columns. You just drag and drop. Oh, there it is, there it is. You can set its properties here. We have all sorts kind of things. We have layout, we have header, we have forms, buttons, swipe, review buttons, you name it. We have widgets, Google Map, Yahoo Map, AdMob for advertising, console, WebRTC for web video calling and texting. You have everything here. We have bottom left sidebar. So cool. We have our media. You can add images, text. We'll be going through all this in our next lesson. And this is just it for today. We've successfully installed the Intel XDK and created our first project sample. I'll catch you guys in the next tutorial. Thank you, and that's bye from me.